Hi guys, we're in the RIU Palace Santa Maria on the beautiful island of Sal in Cape Verde. So I'm going to take you on a little room tour and show you what the rooms are all about. So this is the room that we're staying in for 2 weeks. We've been here a few days, so any mess, please excuse it. So let's continue. So you get the normal key card. You open up and you pop your key card in here and bingo, you've got lights. So just as we come in the door, on the right we've got a closet, on the left we have the bathroom door, and straight ahead we have the room. So in the closet, I'll just give you a wee quick look. So closet's there, you have a safety deposit box and a couple of shelves at the bottom there and plenty of hanging space. We had 20 hangers in all, so it does all of my shirts and all of the wife's dresses. So there's plenty up there, and you can also get a spare blanket and pillow up in the top shelf there. I'll just see if the pillow's there. There we go. So you've got the spare pillow there. And you also have an ironing board with iron, which is handy because your shirts get creased when you're in the suitcase on the way over. So let's go to the bathroom. So just on your right, you've got the shower, nice big shower. You have an overhead rain shower, and you also have a handheld shower there as well. And some soap, some shower gel there. I have to say the pressure in the hotel, in this block anyway, is very good. So you have your small vanity mirror there, nice big mirror lit up round about. Very nice touch, and his and her sinks. You have a towel each side. And you have your shower towels there, and you have a bath mat just on the floor at the entrance of the shower, and a bucket underneath if you need it. So there's also a hairdryer on the wall here. Fortunately, I don't need to use a hairdryer because I've not got very much hair. And you have your standard toilet holder, and your flusher there. So there's a bathroom. So let's go through to the main room. Just various light switches that work all your lights. I'll maybe switch them off and maybe give you a better view of the room, I'm not sure. But you have your air conditioning unit on the wall there, and you also have a ceiling fan, and you'll find a switch for that beside the bed. So this is a sort of standard double. You have couple of bedside tables on either side, and you've got 2 beds put together to make a king size, super king size bed almost. So plenty of room for cases, big full length mirror. And we come over here, there's also suitcases, but for your suitcases here, if you wish to put them on, I use that as extra storage for some trainers and flip-flops and stuff. So over here first, we've got a sofa. I believe that makes into a sofa bed, but just with the two of us, we've never tried it, and a nice light hanging over the top of that with a table. And there's you have your standard telephone and the other bedside cabinet there. So over this side, this is where we have no, it's not a desk, it's a set of drawers and an inbuilt refrigerator. And on top you have your tea, your coffees, cups. There's an ice bucket. You'll find an ice bucket at the bottom floor on the stairs, and you can fill that with ice and bring it up and have your drinks in the room. Kettle, couple of glasses, some water, and your usual hotel bits and pieces. There's 3 drawers here. I'm not going to open them up, but I'll open the top one because they are quite difficult to open up there a wee bit. So you've got 3 similar drawers there, again for more storage, and we have the mini fridge. So we'll just go into the mini fridge, and it's just been stocked up again today. They normally stock it every couple of days, and you have your beer, you have tonic water, Coke Zero, normal Coca-Cola, a couple of bottles of Fanta and a couple of bottles of Sprite. So we do use the mini fridge a fair bit, because also in your room at the RIU Palace you have these, your own optics. So you have a blended whiskey, Bacardi, you have a gin, and you have vodka. So you can dispense them as you wish. They're free to use, as is the mini fridge, and like I says, once your bottles are empty you can restock them, or you can use the RIU app and get someone to bring more up. So we've got the balcony next. Just open the door here. There's a little kind of catch on the side here to open it. And out the balcony, it's quite a spacious little balcony. And plenty enough space for 2 people to sit out. A wee table, a drying rack there. This RIU's got a glass balustrade. And got a pretty good view as well. We've got the building opposite. And then we've got the view right down to the beach and over the pool areas. So as you can see above the phone here on the bedside cabinet, you have 2 USB sockets. You also have 2 USB sockets over here, along with a plug outlet. And on the other side of the beds, above the other bedside cabinet, you have another plug socket there, which I've got my phone charger charged into just now. There's also various light switches there. You can control the fan, your lights, your main lights, or you can control the main lights from here as well. So that's us for the room tour. You've got a good idea of what you can expect when you visit the RIU Palace Santa Maria in Sal and Cape Verde. So we'll see you soon. Keep an eye out for other videos from around Sal.